Hey, this is Diana of Let's Camp Some More, and today we are going to give you a tour of the 2020 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K motorhome that we are using courtesy of Go RVing. We're going to start out with an inside tour of this 33, 34 foot motorhome. I'm going to pull the door closed behind us because it's pretty warm. This is the cockpit area. As you can see, the driver and passenger seat swivel around and it gives a little extra booster so we can sit up a little higher. This is a nice feature, kind of opens up your living area, give you another space to sit. And as you can see here, there's a bed thing that goes over the top. We have it open right now because that's where our daughter's sleeping, but we flip that back when we're driving and it opens up this area. This is the over the bed feature here. It's pretty large. I have the sheet from our pop-up camper that goes on my king size bed and it's really tight on there. It's a fitted queen size jersey sheet, which is a real good hack, kind of a fun way to get sheets to stay on your RV mattress. There's a sofa here that pulls out into a bed and sleeps two. This really cool U-shaped dinette. And we have to admit, we've never really been a fan of dinettes, maybe because in the pop-ups they're pretty fragile and you can kind of lean on them and you just can't really put weight on them. And this is really roomy, easy to get in and out of.
Really sturdy.
Yeah, it is. Here, show how sturdy. And then
so sturdy.
Sturdy, and you can see you can get in and sit down. There are some seat belts there. There, how many seat belts are there? Three seat
belts here,
two seat belts there, two there. Oh, I failed to mention the ladder. This ladder attaches right over here to climb up and down the bunk. We keep it there when it's not in use. It kind of sticks out. So right there, and this whole area here slides.
Here to the other side of the couch.
And it really provides a lot of space in here. As you can see, it's got these really nice light floors. And some people might not like a light floor, but
I like it. It brightens it up.
It brightens it up, and
you do see where the dirt is, but then you clean frequently.
You clean, yeah.
It cleans quickly because
yes.
It's not as big as your house.
Right. So we brought our fan and stuck it right there because we love fans. There's storage here. And then I'm going to show you the kitchen, which I think is one of the best features on this rig. It has this huge countertop.
That is a giant
countertop.
As far as RVs go.
Yes, it's great. A lot of storage down here. Really sturdy drawers with lots of stuff stored in them. And they latch close. Built-in DVD player and TV, and all this storage above. We've got a double sink with the little sprayer that comes out. A lot of storage under the sink for cleaning supplies. There is a stove, an oven.
And an oven.
And a microwave. A little more storage. Here's the pantry here.
One thing I like about the vent over the stove is it actually vents to the outside. So it doesn't blow hot air in your face. It blows it outside.
So you flip this up and there is a
three burner.
That's my bowl for lunch. 3-burner stove there that you flip up. We've just been storing stuff back there. This is where you check the levels of everything. You can push it here and check how much is in each tank and how much water you have left. Turn on the water pump. Water heater, and then the generator, which we've had electricity pretty much the whole time, so I think we flipped it on one time. The slide up here, this is how you slide everything in and out, and this is the holding tank heater.
So if you're camping in the cold, you don't want your holding tank to freeze, you can keep that holding tank warm.
And then inverter control, it's really nice. There's some plugs. This one down here has a USB. So you can charge. You cannot use the regular plugs while driving, but the USB plugs will work and charge while driving on the inverter. So this is the really large living area.
The
fridge.
refrigerator has a light.
Very big. You got to make sure there's that extra click. Pretty decent size freezer. And then we're on to the bathroom. So, right here is the climate control. The air conditioning is great on this thing. So this side has the toilet and sink. And a lot of storage here, there. There's a vent here. And then the shower is on this side. And we keep this latched. There's a skylight here. This could be used, but we personally have not been using it. And then we have the bedroom back here. It is a queen size bed. It's really comfortable. We have been sleeping in pretty much every day. I didn't get out of bed till like 10 this morning. And I brought my cute little banner from home. My little love you some more pillow roll. So emergency exit on this side. There are roller shades on each side, which really help to keep it dark. And the skylights are tinted, so it really keeps it dark in here. We got the push lights above our bed, and then storage on each side. There's a lot of storage, and a lot of storage there. And we just tuck our shoes kind of underneath the bed there. Underneath the bed is storage that is the outside storage, and Eric's going to give you a tour of the outside in a few minutes. Thank you to Go RVing, and we'll see you soon.